Why buying a home is a sound decision. According to the advisors, while we may see slight depreciation this year, home prices are expected to grow over the next 5 years. As the graph shows, after mild depreciation this year, these advisors forecast home prices will return to more normal levels of appreciation through 2027. The big takeaway is advisors aren't forecasting a drastic fall in home prices nationally. Even though some markets will see home price appreciation while others may depreciate. And when they look further out, they see steady price appreciation in the long run. That's a great example of why homeownership wins over time. So, if you're wondering if buying a home is a sound decision, keep in mind what a strong wealth building tool it is long term. If you're ready to become a homeowner, know that buying today can set you up for long-term success as home values and your own net worth are projected to grow. Let's connect to begin the home buying process today.
Call John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage at 302-703-0727.